Welcome to Techmates. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can track Temu orders without card. So this guys takes less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. First thing first, launch your Temu application. Get logged into your account, then select U button. As you do that, you will see your orders. Go ahead, tap onto it, and you will see all the orders here. If you are trying to locate a specific orders like processing or shipped, you may go ahead and tap on these tabs. Once you do so, you will find it right here. I have not yet placed any order, so this is empty for now. And if you cannot find your order, you will see self-service to find order. Go ahead, select this. And once you do so, type in your phone number and find the order. And if you would like to find your order using another ways, you can also type in your email address or your order ID. If you would like to use the order ID, paste your order ID, select find order, and it will be listed at this list. Thank you all for watching, guys. If this solved your problem, hit like and subscribe to Techmates for more daily tutorials. If you would like to get guaranteed answer to your question, join our Techmate membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.